So today we're in Hoi An. I just arrived yesterday, coming from Hue, and so far this seems very nice. We'll check how it looks at night, but that's like pretty beautiful. Alright, so back in Hoi An. Today I woke up pretty early to enjoy the city with hopefully not so many people. And it was nice. It was like more quiet, not everything was yet open. You could like really hang out in the streets and take pictures without like having those Instagrammers or yeah. So it was a great time. I used actually like 3 of my 5 coupons. I went to 2 temples. One was like the first one could be free. I mean, I saw another one temple which was like a little bigger and which was free. So, but it's still nice. Yeah. So, the first place I decided to visit in Hoi An is this beautiful temple you get like right when you arrived at the beginning of the street. How it works here, so you can just walk around the city and like the ancient city if you want, and it's totally good. If you want, then you can also like buy a ticket, which is like 120,000, which gives you like 5 coupons, which are basically entrance like to some of the sites, so you get like access to temples, to Arthouse, stuff like that to show. Actually there's a show I want to try to go to see like in half hour. But yeah, that's pretty neat. So my first stop just before the show was like this beautiful temple, so let's enjoy and then let's get around magnificent Hoi An town. So it's weird because I was there like yesterday night, and at night you get like so many trees. I mean, this place was like packed with people, and I was like so crowded and nearly put me off for a second. I was thinking like, whoa, is this really like the way it's gonna be here? Because I was like, I don't know, hoping it was like a small town with like this good vibes city. And this has been pretty nice here. You can see all these houses and stuff, and it's then pretty quiet. It's actually good for a morning walk, like been pretty neat, very appreciable. Hoi An in all its beauty. When I booked my ticket, the guy advised me, and it was like pretty right, to go to the art performance house for the show and the 10 a.m., 10:15 show. I went there and it was nice. It was like it's a half-hour show with like musical performance, dancing, singing. There's like kind of a game where one person from the audience won a lantern. So yeah, that was pretty nice and good advice. Then I saw the other temple, which was like much bigger and which is like much nicer, and that was like really, really good option. This temple brings together the Chinese family from the Quien province. The temple is dedicated to the goddess of the sea. At the entrance there are two dragon lions that protect the place. In the back there's the mosaic of a dragon and the second temple. Of the most famous attraction here in the town center is the charming old Japanese covered bridge, which is actually 20 meters long and is dating from around the 1500s. No, it's really pretty famous. According to the legend, it's supposed to be indestructible as it resisted a fire that destroyed most of the Japanese neighborhood at that moment. When you cross it, right in the middle, there's a small pagoda. And now this afternoon I have like still 2 coupons left. Yeah, a lot of walking in the beautiful streets of Hoi An. But now I just had my ginger tea and now it's time for lunch. So like usually for lunch I don't eat so much because of the heat, and I like to have a good meal, chilling and taking my time at night. So I always like have a nice big dinner, but I always like eat something quickly for lunch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head for banh mi, I guess. I had like this barbecue banh mi yesterday and that was delicious. So let's go with banh mi and then let's continue the tour here. Pretty enchanting. That's how I would resume this first day here in the ravishing Hoi An. So stay tuned because we'll be here a few days. I will see you on the next episode for more walk around in the streets, and we'll have the chance, I hope, to do it by night, which is even more magical. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like the content, give it thumbs up, it really helps. And until next episode and more adventure, please take care, experience the world, and remember to always go with the flow. Bye bye.